Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make formulas work automatically in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. I have a table consisting of the monthly sales. We'll take this table as our example. To get the total sales, select a cell next to the numbers you want to sum. Click on AutoSum in the Home tab. Press Enter, and you're done. When you click AutoSum, Excel automatically enters a formula that uses the sum function to sum the numbers. Now let's change the sales in March. When we click outside a cell, the total sum does not change or does not automatically update. To automatically sum the numbers, let's go to the formulas. Then go to Calculation Options and select Automatic. When we try to change the number, you will see that it automatically changes the value now. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.